Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the sun-soaked shores of Cayo Coco, Cuba, to explore the Memories Flamenco Beach Resort. This slice of paradise promises a blend of relaxation and entertainment that'll have you dreaming of your next vacation before you've even finished unpacking. So, grab your imaginary mojito, and let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Memories Flamenco Beach Resort boasts a whopping 624 rooms spread across 10 buildings, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for a romantic getaway, or a family ready for some fun in the sun, there's a room type that'll fit your needs like a glove. The Junior Suites and Suites are where contemporary design meets timeless charm, offering you a cozy home away from home. Picture yourself waking up to stunning views of the garden, pool, lake, or even the vast expanse of the Caribbean Sea from your private balcony or terrace. It's like having your own personal postcard come to life every morning. Now let's talk amenities. These rooms aren't just pretty faces, they're packed with all the modern conveniences you could want. Air conditioning? Check. Minibar for those midnight snacks? You bet. Flat screen TV for when you need a break from all that sunshine? Absolutely. And don't worry about your valuables. There's a safe in every room. You'll also find a seating area perfect for lounging, a telephone for those I'm never coming home calls to friends, and a wardrobe to keep your vacation outfits wrinkle-free. The bathrooms are equally well equipped with complimentary toiletries, a hairdryer, because beach hair don't care until you do, and even an iron for those who like to keep things crisp. But wait, there's more. If you're traveling with the whole clan, the family rooms are designed to give everyone their space without sacrificing togetherness. And for those who live by the location mantra, the ocean view rooms offer breathtaking vistas that'll have you pinching yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. For guests looking to add an extra layer of luxury to their stay, the Diamond Club service is the cherry on top, offering additional amenities that'll make you feel like Caribbean royalty. Now, let's talk about something that's close to every traveler's heart: food. The Memories Flamenco Beach Resort takes its culinary game seriously, offering a smorgasbord of dining options that'll satisfy even the pickiest eaters. The main buffet restaurant is a foodie's paradise, serving up a diverse range of savory delights that'll have you going back for seconds, or thirds, we won't judge. From local Cuban specialties to international favorites, the buffet is a culinary world tour that you can enjoy without ever leaving the resort. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you want to dial up the fancy factor, the a la carte restaurants are where it's at. These gourmet havens offer attentive service and mouth-watering cuisine that'll make you feel like you're dining in a Michelin-starred establishment. And the best part? Making reservations is a breeze, so you can focus on the important things, like deciding between the seafood or the steak. For those moments when hunger strikes at odd hours, the snack bar has got your back. Midnight munchies? No problem. And let's not forget about the poolside and beach bars, serving up refreshing drinks that'll keep you cool under the Cuban sun. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity cocktail or a classic Cuba Libre, these bars have you covered. While the dress code isn't explicitly stated, it's safe to say you can keep it casual at the buffet and snack bars, but you might want to dress up a bit for those fancy a la carte dinners. After all, vacation is the perfect excuse to break out that outfit you've been saving for a special occasion. Now, let's dive into the pools and beaches, because let's face it, that's probably why you're considering this resort in the first place. The Memories Flamenco Beach Resort doesn't disappoint when it comes to aquatic fun. With multiple pools, including a dedicated kids pool, there's plenty of space for everyone to make a splash. While the exact sizes and depths aren't specified, guests rave about the pools being large enough to accommodate everyone without feeling crowded. And here's a pro tip: the swim-up bars and poolside bars mean you never have to choose between staying cool and staying refreshed. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but with more piña coladas. But the real star of the show? The beach. Oh boy, the beach. Picture this. Pristine white sand that feels like powdered sugar between your toes, stretching as far as the eye can see. The crystal clear waters of the Caribbean invite you for a dip with gentle waves lapping at the shore. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to cancel your return flight and become a permanent beach bum. The resort provides sun loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, so all you need to bring is your sense of adventure and maybe some sunscreen. For those who can't sit still even on vacation, the resort offers a variety of non-motorized water sports. Whether you fancy a bit of kayaking, windsurfing, or snorkeling, there's something to get your adrenaline pumping. And the best part? It's all included in your stay. So go ahead, try that paddleboard yoga class. Your Instagram followers will thank you. Now let's talk activities, because Memories Flamenco Beach Resort understands that some people's idea of relaxation involves a bit more. Well, action. The fitness center is well equipped for those who want to keep up with their workout routine or start a new one. No judgment here. From cardio machines to free weights, you'll find everything you need to burn off those extra vacation calories. And if you prefer your exercise with a side of zen, the resort offers aerobics and yoga classes. Nothing says vacation quite like downward dog with an ocean view, right? But the fun doesn't stop there. The resort's entertainment team works tirelessly to ensure there's never a dull moment. From live performances that'll have you tapping your feet to music shows that'll make you want to get up and dance, there's always something happening. And let's not forget about the themed nights, because who doesn't love a good costume party on vacation? For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the Spa and Wellness Center is your ticket to bliss. Offering a range of treatments including full body massages, hand massages, head massages, and pedicures, it's the perfect place to unwind and forget about the outside world. The spa also features a beauty salon, so you can get that vacation glow-up you've been dreaming about. While the operating hours aren't specified, it's safe to say that pampering is available throughout most of the day. So go ahead, treat yourself. You're on vacation after all. Now, let's talk about the little ones, because Memories Flamenco Beach Resort hasn't forgotten about its youngest guests. The Kids Club is a paradise within a paradise for children aged 4 to 12. With supervised activities that range from arts and crafts to mini discos, your kids will be having so much fun, they might forget they're on a family vacation. The dedicated kids pool means they can splash around to their heart's content, while you enjoy some well-deserved adult time. And for those moments when the whole family wants to hang out together, the resort's spacious grounds and beautiful beach provide the perfect backdrop for making lasting memories. But what about when you want to explore beyond the resort? Cayo Coco has plenty to offer, and Memories Flamenco Beach Resort is perfectly positioned for adventure. One of the must-visit spots is Pilar Beach, known for its stunning beauty and pristine waters. And for those who love a bit of retail therapy, the local markets are a treasure trove of souvenirs and local crafts. The best part? There's a hop-on, hop-off bus service available for just $5 per person, making it easy and affordable to explore the area. It's like having your own personal tour guide, minus the cheesy jokes, although we can't promise the bus driver won't throw in a few puns. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.